Congratulations! You're getting to the point in German where you can make more and more advanced sentences. So it's time to start talking about where to put everything in a sentence when you have more than just a subject, verb, and direct object. The simple rule is that after you have taken care of the subject and verb, you want to put your details in the following order: time, manner, place. This means that an expression of time, like 5 o'clock, this weekend, last year, something like that, would go earlier in the sentence than an expression of manner, like by car, or with my friends. Once you've gotten those details out of the way, you can take care of places last, things like at my house, or in Germany, or to school. Be very careful with time, manner, place. This is one of the ways that English and German are different, so it's a pretty typical English speaker mistake to assume that English rules apply in German and put those elements of a sentence in a wrong order in German. We're going to look at a couple of specific examples in which sentences have times, manners, and places. Here's the first one. Ich komme 8 Uhr mit dem Bus zur Schule. The time expression 8 Uhr comes before the manner, mit dem Bus, and last comes the place, zur Schule. In the next one, ich spiele Tennis am Wochenende mit meinen Freunden, again, the time expression comes first, followed by the manner. There's no place to worry about, so that's the end of the sentence. In this sentence, ich will heute Abend ins Kino gehen, the time expression heute Abend comes first. There is no manner, but there is a phrase referring to place, ins Kino, so that comes next. Notice that ins Kino isn't the last thing in the sentence. Gehen still needs to be the last thing, since you're using the modal verb will in this sentence. In other words, the rules for time, manner, and place really only deal with what to do with the details of the sentence, not the grammatical essentials like subjects and verbs. Furthermore, you are more than welcome to take one of these elements, like the time, and put it first in the sentence using inverted word order. So you could say something like, am Wochenende spiele ich Tennis mit meinen Freunden. Or you could even theoretically say, ins Kino will ich heute Abend gehen. That sounds a little weird, but there's no actual rule against it. If you did that, you'd probably just be putting a greater emphasis on the Kino as opposed to some other location. Just a quick side note here as well. If you're expressing something really complicated, it's entirely possible that you could have 2 time elements or 2 place elements in the same sentence. If that happens, it's really common with time, you basically want to go from biggest to smallest. So am Montag 8 Uhr, or im Winter nach der Schule, for instance. And both of those time elements will go before a manner element or a place element. And here's a quick review. When you have a lot of elements in a sentence, you want to put times before manners, before places. So you first specify when, then how, then where.